Okay. Do use the chat box today to ask questions. Feel free to use the Q&A box as well. I've got Julie and Laura, my colleagues here, and they may be able to help with some of the answers. I'm also making a recording today, and we'll send the recording and a certificate along to you probably towards the end of this week. Those will come to you by email. Okay. So let's take a look at what we're doing today. Now, many of you may know about the Spark platform. That is the digital platform that supports all of our National Geographic learning programs. And there are many pieces to the Spark platform. And some of you may be familiar, for example, with the classroom presentation tool, where we can put the class content up on the screen to work with the students. There's also another tool that can do this as well. And Trailblazer is able to use this tool. Not every program can at the moment, okay, but Trailblazer is one that does, and it's called our Dynamic Lessons tool. And this is more of a kind of a slide-based delivery method, okay? And this is actually what I'm going to use today to do the whole Trailblazer model lesson with you, okay? So I'm going to switch my screen share over to that, and I'll show you what's there. So I need to change to this screen. Here we go. Okay, now just to show you really quickly the back end before I start into the lesson, this is basically made up of a whole lot of slides. Now I've taken everything from this unit and I've chosen particular pieces, and I had a really hard time choosing what to do today. I have 54 slides here that I'm going to look at with you today, but most of them we're not actually going to go over in detail. I have a little note on some of them that just says overview, and we'll just kind of take a quick look at those. But we won't actually go into them in detail, okay? So if I jump into what it actually looks like for the students and when you're presenting it, then that would be starting here. And you can see it looks like slides. I'm just going to full screen this just to make it slightly larger. There we go. And then from here, now we'll actually get into the lesson and we'll take a look at it together here today. Okay, right, so welcome to class, everyone. So what can we see is happening in this picture? What's happening in this picture? In the chat box, tell me, what can you see? What can you see here? What's this thing? Everybody's quiet today. Maybe you don't know the name. That's okay. That's a cube, right? A Rubik's Cube. Yeah, Magic Cube. Very good. Nice job, Chao Wei. Thank you. And then the title up here, it says, why do we have hobbies? What is a hobby? Does anyone know what a hobby is? What is a hobby? What is a hobby? Just wait for the chat box. Something you enjoy doing regularly, says Chi, right? Okay. Is that like work, Chi? Is work, if we go to work and we enjoy doing it, is that a hobby? Maybe not, right? Yeah, non-work. Very good, right? So yeah, it makes us happy when we're free in our free time, right? Something we do for fun in our own time, right? And it makes us happy, we like doing it, right? And there's lots of different hobbies. Today, we're going to talk about why do we do hobbies? Why do we have them? Okay.